and I actually have their twisting souffle. I'm gonna use this today. Excuse my nails. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I have so much great stuff coming up, so just be prepared. My birthday is next month. I always go all out, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and join the menu. Let's get straight into it. I really don't part need for the sake of this video. I'm gonna try my hardest, but in reality, I just kind of grab hair. I usually finger part. I don't even comb anything, but I'm trying to make it neat for you all. I'm gonna clip all of that back as well. So as neat as you could get it, you have your first part. It doesn't have to be super neat, it doesn't have to be super straight. Don't be too hard on yourself, it's okay. I'm gonna pull that hair forward. I'm actually just gonna take my souffle, a little bit on my fingers. You don't need a whole lot. But I'm a fan of like a lot of products, so you want your hairs to slip, okay? So you want your hands to slip through your hair. Just coat it, coat it, coat it. Once that whole section is done, I take my brush. This too was given to me, but it's not a place product. I genuinely use this for detangling. Okay, ready? I like to part out the first section, and then I'm just gonna take it into twos. Just that first section, and like you're gonna twist it one more time. Okay, so you see we started with a twist. You're gonna now grab a new section of hair, almost like braiding, and pull that forward. You're gonna keep going with that, so nice and tight. Grab the next set of hair. Can we see that? And keep going. Okay, texture shot. We're gonna grab some more hair. Twist. We're gonna grab some more hair, right? Twist. Don't worry about if it's not neat. If you don't have enough product, this won't be that smooth and you'll feel all over the place. Grab the next piece, twist. It's just like braiding kinda. I know like everybody doesn't know how to braid either, so just twist. You don't have to worry about your hair. Or if you grab a little bit of the wrong section, you just want to make sure you're grabbing everything in that part. Grab a little piece of the base and just twist. Keep going. Grab a little piece of the base and twist. Grab a little piece of the base right by the ear. Grab all of that, twist, and then you're going to twist all the way down. It took me so long to get flat twists. So be patient with yourself. This is where we are, and I always coil my end. Usually I'll just leave it like that, but I was gonna put in perm rods today just to give it that extra oomph. Don't judge. I hope I can help somebody learn how to flat twist today. I hope I'm doing this the right way. Souffle. Coat it. The whole thing, root to tip, root to tip. You're basically finger detangling. Comb it out. Should be smooth. Curl should bounce. Okay. Okay. At the base, this is a big part. Where it looks big, but right at the top, I take my first piece, split it into two, twist one more time, grab some of the loose hair, twist. I'm gonna have it in this hand. Take your other piece, grab some of the loose hair, twist. Other piece, grab some of the loose hair, twist. I'm so serious, like, don't think too hard about it. Grab the loose hair and just twist. Twist all the way down. I like to comb out my ends before I finish. Take a perm rod. You just wrap the end, lock it in, meaning the end should wrap over the very end of the hair. And you're just gonna twist till it's tight enough. Some people twist it all the way to the base. You of course don't have to. And then just pull and put it in this place. So we have the first two. Like I said, mine are not super neat. This one's so nice. The parts can be bigger or smaller, as you can see, whatever way you want to do it, but that's a flat twist for you. I love the way they come out, and now we're just gonna speed through. We're done. These are our flat twists. This is how they're looking. Sorry if the parts in the back look crazy, but they actually give you mad definition without needing a whole lot, because you get most of the definition in the twist or towards the end anyway. So once you pull them apart, they look perfect. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can stay tuned, stay up to date. I have a bunch of videos, so much cool content coming this month. It's my birthday month, I'll mention again, so stay tapped in. A little on the part. Alright, so you're just gonna let these air dry. Sometimes once I feel like this part has dried, I'll actually leave my flat twist in for a couple of days. If you bold like that, and if you a naturalista like that, then you do that, okay? Because that's what it takes to get them divine curls. So this is how we put flat twists in. This is how they look. A little oil. And drop it down my parts. Or drop them even, use the dripper to put them inside of the twist. And I am having a surgery towards the end of this month, so stay tuned for that. What do you think it is? Drop a comment below. So it's day 2 and I'm back. Welcome back, y'all. So I did sleep in my perm rods. I'm gonna give y'all just one quick example of how to take them out, and we're gonna get into this flat twist out, okay? So we're gonna start with this one over here. Undo your rubber band. You want to twist the way it's curling. Just follow that natural wave. Yep. And that's it. We'll pop all of these out. Same thing one more time. Follow the natural wave. Look at her. Can y'all see her? Period. Alright, so this is how we're looking after. Look at that shrinkage, honey. I wish my hair would like get bigger though, you guys, but sometimes with your hair you just can't see it. So I'm gonna go in with actually my pomegranate and honey once again, not a place product, just stuff I have. It is a curl refreshing spray. So this is perfect for my girls who do twist outs or natural styles, and that's me. I always need a spray bottle or something like that to refresh my fro the next day. After I take it out of the bonnet, I usually just put my hands under water. So I'm just gonna spray some on my hands. I don't want a whole lot of product, just something slick. Smells good. I'm gonna run it down that curl and I'm gonna show y'all. I did take my nail polish out so we're not looking so janky anymore. And I'm just gonna put this off. I want to state again that my birthday is coming up, so be sure to subscribe to this channel so you could follow along for the birthday looks. Every year I do a photo shoot, and this year I'm not doing a whole lot, but I don't know. There might be a surprise in store for me, for you. Look at that curl definition, guys. So I'm just gonna run down all of these really quick. Just some spray. So make sure you just subscribe to the channel so you could be a part of the journey. I will be 24 this year. It's my Kobe year, RIP Kobe. It's crazy what a year we've had. It's just crazy. Like, I can't believe it's a whole nother year already. Fun fact, my birthday is actually St. Patrick's Day. That was the day the world like shut down for real. Like, Corona was around and stuff, but March 18th, everything shut down. Guys, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can get there. So just join the family, see what I have in store. You see how these are turning out. So this is how we're looking now. Check the definition. Check it out. The girl's hair is growing. The last thing you will need is a pick or comb. Wide tooth comb works. And I just pick from the bottom up as much as it gives. When the hair stops you, you stop. So this is how we are looking. I love how this came out. This is actually way more successful than even my last one. I'm gonna show y'all the back. I hope it's looking good back there. The back. Look at all that bounce. It's still there. Perfect, easy, quick style. I hope y'all learned a lot. Drop a comment below if this helped you learn how to flat twist, if you could follow along. And trust me, just keep trying. Like, if you get it wrong, even if it's ugly, just see how it comes out, because as you do them, like I said, it'll just get better and better. I love this. It looks so much better than even my last time for some reason. Come on, somebody. So anyway, thank you for watching Dollasmenu. This is my flat twist tutorial. Shout out to Christina for requesting this video. If y'all want any more videos specifically, just give me a shout. Go on Instagram, drop a comment right now, and I will make that video for you probably in the next few days. So remember to subscribe, because I have so much exciting stuff coming up, because it's my birthday all month. Period. St. Patrick's, baby. I'm a lucky girl. Thank you so much. That's why you always see a bunch of green. Thank you so much for watching Dollasmenu. Peace.